Welcome to Wednesday's Market SITREP here at Top Gun Options. Wiz here, and seeing another slow implosion today in the market. Seeing the SPX down about 11, and the market, the overall Dow down about 80. Folks, this 1685 level is going to be absolutely critical for the market. It's kind of been sort of this short-term support, and it's very interesting because prior to the this June Fed meeting, here's what's going on. Let me give you the bottom line. June Fed meeting, Bernanke comes out and sounds the last call, right? Market freaks the hell out. World markets freak out. The Nikkei, the Shanghai, everybody freaks out. Then over the next couple weeks, all his lieutenants run out to the microphones and say, hey, just kidding, relax, we're going to be here forever. So we have this rip your face off rally. Now, last week, the Bernanke comes out and says, no, we're going to be here forever. And over the past couple days, his lieutenants have come out and said, no, we're going to end this thing. Exact polar opposites of their roles last month. The market does not like confusion. And this Fed is an absolute clown car with their messaging. So the Evans and whoever the other guy's name is yesterday saying, no, this thing's going to be over before you know it, as opposed to Bernanke last week saying, hey, we stand by, ready to do anything. So conflicting messages out of the Fed, not helping the market. And what also is going on is we're starting to get into the Shanghai Nikkei. Hey, what's going on across the Pacific? Well, what are you guys doing? The Nikkei fell 4% overnight. Why do we care? Because it fell on our Fed lieutenant's comments. So now we're back into this pre-Fed meeting, right around this area. All these up, downs in this area coming into our Fed meeting were moves out of the Shanghai and the Nikkei. We were, really paying attention to Japan for coming into our Fed meeting because Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda and Abe, their prime minister, are taking a page from our playbook. They're trying to devalue the hell out of the yen and drive their market higher. So we've been, prior to our Fed meeting, we were moving with the Asian stock markets, and we're starting to see that again. We're getting we're actually out of earnings season, more or less, and the market's kind of taking a look around going, okay, now what do we do? Well, now we're listening to a couple Fed lieutenants spout off, and we're also taking a look at Asia. So we're seeing a slow meltdown this week, and there's really not too much on the economic calendar for us to be concerned with. Domestically, here in the United States, some crude inventory, consumer credit. Thursday, weekly unemployment claims. Friday, we get wholesale inventories. But here's what I'm going to be looking at Thursday night. Look at all these economic reports coming out of Japan and China, from their money supply, CPI, PPI, consumer confidence, fixed asset investment, industrial production, and retail sales. Last time these imploded, folks, our markets imploded. So it'll be interesting to see the rest of the week whether or not we get a little bit of a relief rally. Folks, we haven't seen a 3-day pullback like this since June. We've just had this slow melt up, and of course this week the market's deciding, this rally's getting a little long in the tooth here. So 1685 is my breakwater here. If we hit this thing 1685 the rest of today or tomorrow or Friday with any sort of airspeed, look out below. And you can see the VIX really woke up today. It was up 9% earlier today, and I put on a bullish double vertical in our primary live trade brief yesterday that it's up 85% in a day. Since yesterday morning. So really nice try. Put it on right about here, Tuesday morning. There you go, right in our primary live trade brief, and boom, it was up 83% in a day. That's a pretty nice trade. Seeing a couple of our weekly options positions under pressure. Googs kind of having a sympathy pullback with the market, with the overall market here. But like I said, if we break through 1685 with any sort of airspeed, look out below. I don't think that's going to happen. I think 1685 might be used as a buying opportunity, but this afternoon is going to be very, very important to the market. If this wallowing around continues, I think we head lower. And if Japan and China come out with macroeconomic data that scare us, we're definitely going to have a very bad week. So I'm going to start managing some weekly options positions here for that contingency plan. Okay, so got to run. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll be back tomorrow with Thursday's SITREP. We'll see you.